Audio Jungle.
Introducing you. Handal VR. Handal VR, Interaction with Hand Gestures, is a virtual reality game developed for students pursuing Diploma in Information Technology, Digital Technology, at Department of Information and Communication Technology at Polytechnic Sultan Idris Shah. Handal VR aims to provide immersive learning through virtual interaction with hand gestures that impacts the learning experience and attracts students' interest. With this VR application, students can engage with their surrounding by grabbing, poking objects and pose detection with their hands using the app's enabled hand tracking functionality. The development of this project was driven by a few problem statements. Currently, there are limited learning tools for the students to experience the advancements of interactivity in multimedia, specifically in virtual reality. Second, understanding VR requires students to immerse themselves and have the experience the latest technology in hand gestures interaction. Lastly, the students need to familiarize of multimedia technology in order to understand VR advancements, its possible use for future digital multimedia applications. This project objectives are to develop an immersive virtual reality application, namely Handal VR, which lecturers can use as an educational tool for digital multimedia students. Secondly, to develop real-time hand gestures interactions, basic poke, basic grab, hand physics, pose detection modules for immersive learning experience for the students. Finally, to create mini-game modules for the students to familiarize the basic hand gestures in VR and its possible use for interactions in digital multimedia applications. Our project purpose is to provide an immersive and natural way interaction, create a more enhanced realistic virtual environment with hand gestures, provides accessibility of latest technology and also expanding VR's reach to student, and lastly, provides training and simulation to practice hand gestures movements technology. The project could give a lot of benefits, such as, this application uses hand tracking features. This allows students to be able to experience and immerse into virtual reality rather than just reading about it in class notes. Next, Handal VR is developed for lecturers and students to assist the class run smoothly by providing a proper education tool to be utilized in class. Finally, capturing students' attention and maximize student engagement in learning is easily achievable with virtual reality, since students are drawn to new technologies. This will also give them a thorough knowledge of VR, and build their passion, interest to VR and also the digital multimedia course. And finally, Handal VR offer numerous attractive environments to be explored. Take a look at the glimpse of Handal VR environment. There are a total of 6 rooms to be explored with different elements to interact with hands. Handal VR introduces real-time hand gestures, basic poke, basic grab, hand physics, pose detection, and mini-game modules for users to experience each of the interactions. Handal VR interaction with hand gestures specifically designed for students and educators, providing unique learning experiences and interactive teaching tools. For educators, Handal VR facilitates dynamic and captivating lessons by presenting complex concepts in visually appealing and interactive ways, capturing students' attention through gesture-based interactions. A research involving 32-second semester diploma in digital technology Polytechnic Sultan Idris Shah students taking the digital multimedia course. The study was conducted in 2 phases. In the first phase, participants were introduced to the VR-based learning application, and were given a brief tutorial on how to use the application. In the second phase, participants were asked to complete a demographic questionnaire, the Technology Acceptance Model (TAM) instruments, which evaluated the perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use of the application, plus the System Usability Scale (SUS) instruments was used to evaluate the usability of the VR-based learning application. Commercialization and collaboration with the industry and others. This innovative product has been presented to external parties as part of the efforts to embrace the fourth industrial revolution in the field of education. The latest development of this project will be showcased at a career exhibition attended by participants from 16 secondary schools in the Sabak Burnham district on June 22, 2023, at the Ibnu Khaldun Hall of Seri Bedina Secondary School.